guys, Sally Pizzo's lead trainer at Brainstorm. Has anyone ever sent you an email in Outlook with an attachment and you know you filed it, but when it came time to use it, you have no idea where it is? It's more common than you think. I have a little secret here that's going to help you save some time and energy and not looking through every folder in your inbox. If you go to Microsoft Office 365 Home, there's a great application called Delve. You'll see it here on my screen. What you have the ability to do is search for people in your organization. So over here in the top left-hand corner, I'll go ahead and type in my coworker's name that sent me the missing document, Ned. I'm going to look it up here. Give it 1 second. And now when I pull up Ned's profile inside of Delve, what it actually shows me here on the right-hand corner is Ned's recent documents and email attachments. Now I don't have to go searching Outlook for hours and hours to find that missing piece of paperwork. I have access to it right here in Delve. And guess what, guys? It works for more than just Outlook. If documents are shared with you from OneDrive or SharePoint, you'll also see them here too. Delve, check it out.